মরিয়ম, আপনাকে বলতে হবে বাংলা টু ইংলিশ। আমি জিজ্ঞেস করছি, মুষলধারে বৃষ্টি হচ্ছে।
It rain is cats and dogs.
পরীক্ষা সন্নিকটে।
The examination is knocking at the door.
জ্ঞানী শক্তি।
Knowledge is power.
অপচয় করো না, অভাবে করো না।
Waste not, want not.
থ্যাংক ইউ। এবারে আমি আপনাকে ইংলিশ বলবো, আপনি এটা বাংলা বলবেন। দি সোনার দি বেটার।
যত শীঘ্রই ততই ভালো।
As sure as dead.
মৃত্যুর মতো নিশ্চিত।
Pen through the line.
লাইনটি কেটে দাও।
Thank you so much. Introduce yourself.
Assalamu alaikum. Good morning to all of you. I would like to introduce myself in front of you. My name is Moriam Akhtar. I am 30 years old. I am from Borishal, but currently I live at Badda in Dhaka. I am a student of class 7. The name of my school is Badda Residential High School. I want to be a doctor in my future. My father's name is Ashraf Ali and my mother's name is Rohima Begum. My father is a businessman and my mother is a housewife. We are 5 members in our happy family. I like traveling in my free time. That's all about me. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Moriam.